Take care of your skin. Remedies for removing pimples, spots and acne. Acne and pimples are the nightmare of every teenager. Although more and more people, men and women of all ages, suffer from stress and many other factors, pollution, poor diet, poor cleaning and hygiene habits, lack of sleep, etc., that influence our daily life on our skin. For example, the arrival of autumn brings with it the arrival of cold, making the skin worse with peeling of the skin or skin tightness. Yes, unfortunately, everything that happens around us has an impact on the skin, especially on the face. Will there be remedies to avoid it? Oh, no, they've come out again. Hell. One thing is obvious, granites are hateful and become our first enemy overnight, as they always appear unannounced. Who will send you out? Fortunately is something very common in our society. We are not the only ones on the face of the earth who suffer them and whose face is like a paella. There is always someone in our group of friends who accompanies us and with whom we can comfort and identify. But today now we want to give you some of the most effective remedies so that you do not lose the battle. Bloody pus. Remedies for removing stains and granites. Have you ever tried or considered doing a chemical peeling? They say it's the best way to treat wounds, scars and acne marks. Because, to be honest, who has never touched that rebellious grainy face and ended up leaving a permanent mark? Surely many of you are reading this article. And yes, you probably also tried everything and tried 1,000 treatments, but the bloody grain is still there. Well, with this technique of chemical peeling you will remove all the surface layers of dead cells thanks to a chemical. An acid, you will take care of the epidermis and your skin will again be softer, brighter and hydrated like a baby's butt. A treatment that can take between 10 and 30 minutes. Halla, like my little butt. Daily cleaning and hydration products. If you want to prevent the appearance of pimples and spots, you have to be aware that you have to wash and wipe your face every day. Once in the morning and once in the evening, even if you have not done makeup that day because the street has a lot of pollution and our skin is super sensitive to all the surrounding particles. Take a healthy and balanced diet. You know that the grains come out from excess fat, so when you go to delight your palate with something tasty, think twice if you don't want a chickpea coming out on your beautiful complexion the next day. Sorry Sully, again it will be. Folk remedies for combating acne. Lemon drops. An easy, economical and super effective remedy. Simply apply 2 drops of lemon on the granite or pimple before going to bed. You'll flip with evolution the next day. Mix brown rice grains with 2 cups of water, stir, strain and use the water to wash our face. A remedy that helps fight pimples. Steam to clean and open the pores of the skin. Surely some of you have done this before. It consists of boiling water to the boiling point and applying 2 tablespoons of thyme leaves. Remove the heat and bring the head closer by covering it with a cloth or towel and breathe deeply for 5 minutes. Look what a great complexion I have left. To the rich onion. You just have to cut 1 onion in half and apply it to the grain or shin. Let it act for half an hour and then wash our face thoroughly with fresh water. The perfect remedy for fighting pimples and removing black dots. Honey. At first glance it may seem disgusting and somewhat uncomfortable as honey turns out to be very sticky. But it is a food that stands out for all its antibacterial and antiseptic properties. You can both consume it and apply a layer of honey on the face and neck for a period of 15 to 20 minutes. And to finish, gently remove it in circular motions and with warm water. And if you are one of those who love mixing honey with milk, it's perfect. Because milk lactic acid also helps fight granites, eliminate dead cells and reduce inflammation in the area. Coconut oil is rich in vitamin E and is the beauty secret of many celebrities. It has become the star product both in the world of cosmetics and in the kitchen thanks to its caustic acid and lauric acid that helps protect against infections and bacteria. To apply it on the skin should be virgin coconut oil. Egg white is not only made for eating, but also has a tightening and tonic effect that reduces the appearance of enlarged pores and excess fat. Just beat the egg white until fluffy and apply it all over the face evenly. Let the mask act and dry completely and remove it with plenty of warm water. Then wash with cold water to help seal pores. And so far some little tricks to combat that grain that has messed up the day or evening at some point. If your case is more serious and you have a serious problem with acne, the most responsible would be to go to the doctor and put yourself in the hands of your dermatologist.